Have you ever wondered how much you really know about octopuses? Welcome, fellow explorers of the deep. Today we're embarking on an exciting journey to uncover 10 astonishing facts about one of the ocean's most intriguing creatures, the octopus. These facts are not just fun tidbits, they're pieces of knowledge that will help us better understand and appreciate these fascinating beings. So buckle up, hold on to your curiosity, and get ready for an underwater adventure like no other. Prepare to be amazed as we dive into the world of octopuses. Did you know that octopuses have not one, but 3 hearts? Yes, you heard that right. Octopuses are fascinating creatures, and one of their most intriguing features is their unique circulatory system. Now, let's dive a little deeper. 2 of these hearts work exclusively to pump blood beyond the octopus's gills, while the third keeps the blood flowing throughout the rest of the body. But here's where it gets even more interesting. When an octopus decides to swim, the heart that delivers blood to the rest of the body actually stops beating. Why, you may ask? Well, swimming exhausts an octopus and requires more energy than their usual method of getting around, crawling. As a result, they often prefer to crawl rather than swim to conserve their energy. So, in the vast and mysterious underwater world, octopuses are out there, living their lives with 3 hearts beating in unison. Imagine that! 3 hearts working together! What if I told you that octopuses are boneless? Yes, you heard it right. These intriguing marine creatures lack any sort of skeletal system. This absence of bones makes them incredibly flexible and pliable. They can squeeze their sizable bodies through the tiniest of openings, no bigger than a coin. Imagine trying to do that with a skeleton. Not so easy, right? Now, while octopuses are largely soft and squishy, they do have one hard part in their body. It's their beak. This beak is quite similar to a bird's, and it's the toughest part of an octopus. They use it to crack open and eat their prey, like crabs and shellfish. So, in the grand scheme of things, being boneless isn't so bad after all. For octopuses, it's a huge advantage, allowing them to explore and hide in places that would be impossible for other, bonier creatures. Being boneless certainly has its advantages. Did you know that octopuses have blue blood? That's right. It's not a joke or a figment of someone's imagination. Octopuses, in fact, do have blue blood. But why blue and not red like ours? Well, it all comes down to chemistry. In humans and many other animals, the oxygen-carrying molecule in our blood is called hemoglobin, and it's based on iron. When iron binds with oxygen, it gives our blood its classic red color. Octopuses, on the other hand, use a different molecule called hemocyanin to transport oxygen. Hemocyanin is copper-based, and when copper binds with oxygen, it turns blue. So thanks to their copper-based blood, octopuses have this unique blue blood flowing through their veins. This also enables them to survive in colder waters where oxygen levels are lower. Just when you thought octopuses couldn't get any more fascinating, they surprise you with yet another unbelievable fact. Blue blood, how cool is that? Did you know that octopuses rank among the most intelligent creatures in the sea? Now that's a surprising splash of knowledge. These amazing creatures don't just have brawn, they've got brains too. Yes, you heard that right. Octopuses are known for their fantastic problem-solving skills. For instance, they've been observed opening jars to get to a tasty snack inside. Imagine the brainpower needed to figure that one out. But that's not all. These 8-armed wonders have also been seen using tools, just like us humans. They've been spotted carrying coconut shells around, only to later use them as a makeshift shelter. And if you think that's impressive, wait till you hear this. Some octopuses have even been known to escape from their aquariums and find their way back to the sea. Now that's what we call a great escape. So there you have it, octopuses. They're not just pretty faces, they're smart too. Scene script. Can you imagine being able to grow back a limb? Well, octopuses can. Picture this, you're an octopus, just minding your own business in the deep blue sea, when suddenly a predator attacks. You lose an arm in the encounter, but it's not the end of the world. Why? Because you, as an octopus, have the incredible ability to regenerate that lost arm. It's a fascinating process, really. Cells near the wound start to multiply and form a mass called a blastema. This blastema is like a construction site where all the action happens. It's here that the new arm begins to take shape, and amazingly, it grows back just as perfect as the one that was lost. This regeneration doesn't happen overnight, though. It may take a few months for a fully functional arm to grow back, but it's worth the wait because the new arm is just as good as the old one. Talk about a superpower. Octopuses are the ultimate masters of disguise. Imagine having the ability to change your appearance at will. Sounds like something out of a superhero movie, right? But for octopuses, this is just another day in the ocean. These 8-armed mollusks are famed for their uncanny ability to alter not only their color but also their body texture. This is all thanks to special cells in their skin called chromatophores. These cells contain pigments and can expand or contract, allowing the octopus to show a rainbow of colors. But that's not all. Octopuses can also change their body texture. They can mimic the roughness of a rock or the smoothness of sand. This incredible adaptation helps them blend in with their surroundings, making them nearly invisible to predators and prey alike. This camouflage isn't just about survival, though. It's also a way for octopuses to communicate their feelings. A calm octopus might be a pale, smooth blue, while an agitated one could turn a spiky, bright red. Now that's a way to hide in plain sight. It may surprise you to learn that octopuses have a very short lifespan. Yes, you heard it right. Octopuses, with their amazing abilities and intelligence, usually live for only 1 to 2 years. It seems almost unfair, doesn't it, that such incredible creatures have such fleeting lives. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. The life cycle of an octopus is closely tied to its reproductive cycle. For female octopuses, after they lay their eggs, they guard them diligently, often without eating, until they hatch. This period of intense care takes a toll, and shortly after the eggs hatch, the female octopus passes away. On the other hand, male octopuses meet their end a few months after their mating season. It's as if their entire life is geared towards this one significant event. These cephalopods lead short yet profoundly captivating lives, filled with intelligence, adaptability, and sacrifice. So, next time you think of octopuses, remember a short but fascinating life they lead. Octopuses may not have wings or feathers, but they do share one thing with birds. You might be wondering what that could be, right? It's a beak. Yes, you heard it right. Just like our feathered friends, octopuses also have a beak. It's the only hard part of their bodies, tucked away at the center where all their arms converge. This beak is not just for show, it's a crucial tool for their survival. Octopuses are carnivores, which means they love to munch on crabs, shellfish, and even other octopuses sometimes. But how do they manage to crack open the hard shells of their prey? Enter the beak. It's sharp, strong, and perfectly designed to break through tough exteriors. Imagine in the deep blue sea, where soft-bodied creatures are more common, here comes the octopus equipped with a bird-like beak ready to feast. The ocean is full of surprises, isn't it? A bird's beak in the sea, how unexpected. Did you know that all octopuses have venom? Yes, that's right. Octopuses, these fascinating creatures of the deep, are not only intelligent and versatile, but they also come with a bit of a sting. Here's how it works. When an octopus catches its prey, it uses its beak, yes, the very same bird-like beak we talked about earlier, to bite. This bite injects a paralyzing venom that allows the octopus to easily consume its immobilized dinner. Imagine having your dinner served on a silver platter. Except in this case, the platter is the venom, and the dinner is, well, anything that swims too close. Now, for most species of octopus, this venom isn't dangerous to humans. But hold your snorkels, because there's an exception. The blue-ringed octopus, a small but vibrant creature, has venom potent enough to be deadly to humans. So, if you ever come across one, remember, beware of the blue-ringed octopus. Our number one fact is that octopuses lay thousands of eggs at a time. This might sound like a lot, but it's actually quite common in the underwater world. You see, when it's time for a female octopus to lay her eggs, she doesn't just lay a couple and call it a day. No, she goes all out, laying thousands and thousands of eggs in a single sitting. But her job doesn't end there. After laying her eggs, the mother octopus takes on the role of a fiercely protective guardian. She carefully watches over her precious eggs, guarding them from predators and ensuring they're safe until they hatch. And she does this with amazing dedication, often without even eating or leaving the nest for months. However, this maternal marathon comes at a great cost. After her baby octopuses swim off into the world, the mother's life comes to an end. It's a heartbreaking yet beautiful testament to the sacrifices mothers make. A mother's love knows no bounds. So, there you have it. 10 surprising facts about octopuses. From their 3 hearts to their bird-like beak, these fascinating creatures never cease to amaze. Their boneless bodies, blue blood, and amazing intelligence, coupled with their ability to regenerate arms, change color and texture, and their short lifespan, truly make them a marvel of nature. Not forgetting their venomous nature and the fact they lay thousands of eggs. Next time you see an octopus, remember, there's more to them than meets the eye.